Welcome to our culinary journey where today we're diving into the comforting world of grits and puddings. These two dishes may seem simple at first glance, but mastering them can add exceptional variety and taste to your cooking repertoire. In this video, we'll explore their origins, their cultural significance, and how they have evolved into the dishes we love today. From the creamy textures to the subtle flavors, grits and puddings hold a special place in both history and our kitchens. Let's start with grits, a staple in Southern American cooking that's as versatile as it is delicious. We'll walk through the steps to achieve the perfect creamy texture that makes grits a beloved comfort food. Selecting the right type of corn, the importance of the cooking process, and tips on achieving that just right consistency will all be covered. Whether you're serving them savory with cheese and shrimp or sweet with a bit of sugar and butter, learning these tips will elevate your grits game to new heights. Now, on to the sweet counterpart, pudding. Pudding can be more than just a simple dessert. It's a versatile dish that can star in any course. Today, we focus on popular types like chocolate, vanilla, and rice pudding. We'll guide you through methods to achieve that silky, smooth pudding texture, discuss the key ingredients, and show how different flavorings can transform the basic recipe into a gourmet experience. From stovetop stirring techniques to the final presentation, learn how to create puddings that are both delightful and visually appealing. Understanding the roots of grits and pudding enriches the experience of cooking and enjoying these dishes. We'll delve into their historical backgrounds and how they have been adapted over the years in various cuisines. Additionally, we'll explore creative ways to serve these dishes, incorporating them into meals that will impress any guest. From breakfast spreads featuring savory grits to elegant dessert plates with layered puddings, the possibilities are endless and can make any meal memorable.